Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the watch has at least 50% battery and is on its charger. This prevents interruptions. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, then open the companion app. Sign in with the same account used to back up the watch. Once done, confirm a recent backup is available in app settings. Now tap Restore or Automatic Restore to cue the device. You're initiating the actual transfer, so stay nearby. Once the restore begins, keep the watch and phone within a few feet so Bluetooth remains stable. Make sure neither device goes to sleep. You'll see a progress indicator in the app. Watch for prompts requesting access to contacts, calendars, or media, and grant them so data can sync. If the app asks to install firmware or companion updates, proceed. These updates often include restore compatibility fixes. Make sure to wait. Pausing or disconnecting can corrupt the restoration. When the transfer completes, check that notifications, installed apps, and watch faces match your previous setup. Repair Bluetooth accessories and reauthorize payment cards if required. Once done, reboot both devices to finalize background sync and let the watch download any remaining content. If something failed, like missing apps or stalled progress, reset the phone's network settings, restart both devices, and run the restore again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.